Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to give you 3 reasons why I love these Tuffenough solar outdoor lights. Reason number 1 is you can install them anywhere, and it's also a 2-pack. So you can install these anywhere. You do need direct sunlight into the solar panel. Now reason number 2 is they're really bright at night. And then reason number 3, easy to install. You first mount this bracket to your house or a pole, and then this simply just slides in. I can take this on and off if I need to, say I need to clean it or something. I just take it on and off. Super easy to install, really bright, adjustable. This is the motion sensor. And another reason is it has a remote. So if I install them up a little high and I can't reach the mode button right here, I can use the remote to control them. And it's got 3 modes. The first mode is it's just going to come on bright when it senses motion. The second mode is it's going to be in a dim mode, dimly lit at sundown, and then when it senses motion it goes to full brightness, and then it goes back to a dim mode. And then number 4 is it's like a dusk, or number 3 is like a number dusk to dawn. They'll be in a dim mode when its sun goes down, but if it senses motion it goes right into high mode, and that'll last for 4 hours. After the 4 hours they're dark, but if it senses motion it'll be in a bright mode. So again, 2-pack, bright, easy to use, nice remote. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.